look at this problem. Write the Nernst equation and EMF of the cell at 298 Kelvin. So this is the cell reaction. Mg, this is magnesium solid, single line, magnesium 2 plus having this concentration, that is 0.001 molar concentration, and double line Cu2 plus 0.0001 molar concentration and Cu solid. Here the E naught for Mg2 plus Mg is minus 2.36 and E naught for copper 2 plus copper is 0 plus 0.34 volt. Okay, now we have to calculate, that is write the Nernst equation and the EMF of the cell. So here the Nernst equation for this reaction is usually the Nernst equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N into log of anode divided by cathode. So here, which is anode, Mg converts to Mg2 plus. So this is a anode. So Mg2 plus is anode, and the copper Cu2 plus is a cathode because of its copper Cu2 plus to reduce it to Cu. Okay. So you can write it like this. That is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N into log of Mg, concentration of Mg2 plus and the concentration of the Cu2 plus. Okay. Now then you have to find out the E naught cell. See here the E naught cell, this is the E cell, this is the E naught cell. So the E naught cell value is given, so you have to minus that value. That is already we seen, that is this is a cathode, so E cathode minus E anode. So here E cathode is what? E naught cathode is what? 0.034 and minus of anode is what here? Mg2 plus, the value is minus 2.36. So already one minus for minus 2.36 minus then 0.0591 divided by N. N is what means number of electrons. So the number of electrons is here Cu2 plus Mg2 plus, so that 2 electrons are transferred, so that N is equal to 2. Then log of Mg2 plus, the value is 0. The concentration, that is 0.001 molar, then divided by the copper 2 plus is 0.0001 molar. Okay. Now after simplifying, you will get the value is this is my 0.34 minus of minus plus, so that 2.36 is the value is 2.7 minus then this value 0.0591 divided by 2 into log of this will be what? Log 10. After simplifying, you will get log that is 10. So that log 10. Log 10 is what? 1. So simplify this value and this value, because log 10 is 1. So multiply into 1, anything is 1. So that simplifying this value, you will get 2.7 minus 0.02955. So the approximately the volt is 2.67 volt approximately. Next numerical, write the Nernst equation and EMF of the following cell at 298 Kelvin. So platinum solid, single line bromine liquid, and single line the concentration is bromide ion is given 0.010 molar, double line H plus concentration is given here 0.030 molar, and H2 gas is 1 bar, and the platinum solid. The E naught for H2 H plus H2 is 0 volt, and the bromide ions for bromide ion is 1.09 volt. So here the platinum metal is a solid metal for this reaction, so that in left hand side also this, so that this metal taken as a unity First you have to write the E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by n into log of metal taken as a unity, so that 1 divided by here which species are having the concentration, the bromide ion and the H plus ion. So Br minus, then concentration of H plus. Okay, then the E naught cell here, the cathode minus E naught cell is equal to here the cathode minus E cathode minus E anode. Here which species cathode means that H plus, because the H plus is reduced to H2 and the Br minus oxidized to Br2. So that this is the cathode and this is the anode. So value is given here, that is 0.0, so that 0 minus anode is what? 1.09. Then the number of electrons here, the number of electron also what? Br2, so that 2 H plus, so that 2 number of electron is 2, so 0.0591 divided by n is equal to what? 2. Then log of 1 divided by Br minus, the value is what here? The Br minus is 2 Br minus. In the reaction, you have to write the half cell reaction, so that this will be 2 Br minus. So the value is, concentration value is 0.010 power 2. Then similarly in 2H plus, so that 0.030 power 2. So after simplifying, you will get minus 1.09 minus 0.02955 into log of this value will be 1 divided by 0.000, that is 709, right? So this is the value. Then you'll get after simplifying, there is minus 1.09 minus 0.02955 into log of 1 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 8. Okay, we can write like this. Then minus 1.09 minus 0.02955 into you have to write that log. Well, log of this will be 1.11 into 10 power 7. Okay, then after simplifying this, minus 1.09 minus 0.02955, the log value of this is 0.0453, and that you have to add this 10%, so that plus 7. Then minus 1.09 minus 0.208. After simplifying this, you will get the value is minus 1.298 volt. To problem, calculate the standard cell potential of galvanic cell in which the following reaction takes place. That is, the reaction is given here: 2 Cr solid plus 3 cadmium 2 plus aqueous gives 2 chromium 3 plus aqueous and 3 cadmium solid. Calculate the standard reaction of the Gibbs free energy reaction and the equilibrium constant for the reaction, and the value is given here. E naught cell for chromium 3 plus is 0.74 volt and cadmium 2 plus is minus 0.40 volt. See, the galvanic cell of the usually the cell of the given reaction, usually we have to write like this. There is Cr solid single line, Cr3 plus aqueous double line, then cadmium Cd2 plus single line, then Cd solid for this reaction. Okay, then the standard, you have to calculate the standard cell potential, so that E cell is equal to, E naught cell is equal to E naught for right and E minus E naught for left. Here the right cell is what? Minus 0.0, that is cadmium 2 plus, and here this value is 0. Here the chromium 3 plus also minus 7.0, minus 0.74 volt. So E naught R is what? Minus 0.40, then minus E left, here the minus of 0.74 volt, then you will get 0.34 volt. Okay, this is the E naught cell value. Then the formula is what? For a reaction, Gibbs free energy reaction is delta G naught minus NF E naught cell. Here F is the Faraday value, N is the number of electron. Here the number of electron is what? 6. Because of the reaction, 3 moles of cadmium 2 plus, that 3 into 2 6, 2 moles of chromium 3 plus, so 2 into 3 6, so that number of electron is what? 6. So N is equal to 6. I will write here N is equal to 6. Faraday value, 1 Faraday is 96,487 coulombs per mole. Then coulombs per mole. Now apply the value in this formula. So you will get the delta reaction, that is Gibbs energy for a reaction, minus 6 into 96487 into E naught cell is what? 0.34 volt. So after simplifying, you will get that value is E naught cell, the value is minus, that is 196.83 kilojoule per mole. Okay, then again delta R G naught minus RT ln K. Here the delta Rg naught minus RT, R value is what? That is 8.314, that is gas constant value. Temperature, standard temperature, that is 298 Kelvin. Then the ln K. So after converting this ln to log, you have to multiply, that is minus 2.303 into log of, that is log of K into RT. Okay, now we know that the standard free energy of the reaction, this value, and we have to find out the log equilibrium constant, so that log K. Okay, now rearranging this equation, that is log K is equal to delta R G naught divided by 2.303 RT, here minus sign is here. Okay, then delta R G naught value is what? Minus 196.83 into 10 power 3. Okay, because of the kilojoule, I just convert to 10 power 3. Then 2.303 into R value is what? 8.314, and temperature is 298. So after simplifying, you will get the value is 34.496. This is log K. So finding the K value, the log goes inside, this is the anti-log. So that anti-log of this value, that is 34.496, you will get 3.13 into 10 power 34. So this is the K value. Calculate this. The conductivity of 0.20 molar solution of KCl at 298 Kelvin. Then K is, this is kappa, 0.0248 Siemens per centimeter. Calculate the molar conductivity. Here the kappa value is what? That is the kappa value is 0.0248 Siemens centimeter inverse. Then concentration C is 0.20 molar. Then the molar conductivity formula is what? Lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 divided by the C. Now apply this. Kappa value is what? 0.048 0.0248 into 1000 divided by the concentration is 0.20. Now after simplifying, you will get this 124 Siemens unit is molar conductivity. So that Siemens centimeter square, then mole inverse. Okay.